Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I'll show you how to enable spicy mode on Grok AI for fun and bold response. First of all, you have to download Grok AI new version. That's why you have to go first Play Store and install Grok AI from Play Store. First open the Grok AI app on your device or log in on the web version. Make sure you are using the latest version to access all features. And right here enable spice mode and send it. Before that, you have to confirm your age. Must click on 2000. And that's it. You have successfully enabled spicy mode on Grok AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.